Stop overpaying for hosting. If you're setting up N8N on Hostinger today, I've got a code in the description that gets you 20% off every single plan. Automatically applied, zero hassle. Most codes out there give you half that. Mine gives you the full discount plus a free domain name on top. Here's exactly what to do. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. It's sorted by country so you get pricing in your local currency. You land directly on Hostinger's website. Go to services in the top menu, scroll to VPS hosting and select self-hosted N8N. Four plans are waiting for you: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. Light user, KVM1 works. Running multiple workflows or a small team, KVM2 is your best value. Heavy automations, larger data loads, step up to KVM4 or KVM8. I'm picking KVM2 for this walkthrough. Hit checkout, your 20% is already sitting there waiting along with your free.com domain. Use a new email for the cleanest experience. That's literally it. If you found this useful, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a discount drop. Let's automate everything.